Hey, let's actually be birds. Let's glide, let's fly, let's soar. Birds chatter and sing if they are free to do anything. If they can fly, 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 why not I?
I'm the parrot, hope that's clear. You're distracted, rule breaker. I'm creative and I'll ask you questions. I'm your rebel, arguments I must win.
I'm the babbler, chatty one. For me, talking's too much fun. Overconfident and non-stop noisy. I'm the one who gossips over high tea.
I'm the parrot,
I'm the babbler.
I'm the crow.
Woo!
I'm the peacock, stunning work of beauty. Handsome peacock, always taking selfies. I'm India's star on Instagram. I'm shockingly trendy, yes I am.
Birds, 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 it's so nice to meet you. Birds, 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 let me come and greet you.
You shine so bright, you steal my light.
I'm certain we'll soon have a fight.
Birds, 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 it's so nice to meet you. Birds, 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 let us come and greet you.
That's too much, you talk and talk.
At least I'm brave and walk the walk. I'm a chicken full of fear. One thing wrong and I flood tears. I'm your baby, scary little fear. And follow blindly, listening to all men. I'm the kite, a fly